Do you want to know how you can draw on your videos using v.io? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can draw using v.io on your videos. Go ahead and open v.io, log into your account, go ahead and create new project, or you can click on any of the previously edited projects. After you click on it, you can see that this portal will open up. Now, to draw on your screen, what you need to do is scroll a bit down, go to media, scroll a bit down again, go to elements, and you can see under the elements, if you scroll a bit down, there is draw option. There are two options, so one is a slightly tilted one and one is a straight one. So you can choose your color as well from here, so you can choose the type of brush, round or sliced, and you can choose the color as well. So after you choose the color, you can see that you can draw anything you want, and you can change the color instantly, and you can see that there is a lot of options for you to describe what you want in this video. And you can also decrease or increase the length of your drawing, so you can see that it will disappear as soon as the timing is over. I hope this video about how you can draw in your videos on v.io was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.